Question number 8. There is a statue. It is 1.6 meter tall. It is standing on a pedestal. You normally seen the statue of all great leaders standing on one platform like thing that is called the pedestal. Now, when it is viewed from a particular point, the angle with which the angle of elevation towards the top of the pedestal is found to be 45 degree, and the angle of elevation to the top of the statue is found to be 60 degree. They are asking us to find the height of the pedestal alone. Now we will do one by one. When you consider triangle, in triangle BCD, angle is given. We are going to relate the opposite side, that is the height, and this distance between the person and the pedestal. So we are going to consider the opposite side and the adjacent side. That is, we are going to take tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Substituting the values, we will have tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side, that is BD, by adjacent side, that is BC. You know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So we will have 1 equal to BD, that is nothing but H, by BC, which is nothing but the distance between the observer and the pedestal. Now when you take this D to that side, 1 into D is D, so you have D is equal to H. Let us keep this relationship as such. Now, taking the bigger triangle, that is in triangle ABC, we have this angle 60 degree. We are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So again it is tan theta. Now the angle is going to be tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side, which is AB. You can see this entirely is the opposite side, AB, by the adjacent side, that is BC. When you substitute the values, you know that tan 60 degree is root 3. So we have root 3 equal to AB. AB is nothing but AD plus DB. So we can write it as 1.6 plus H divided by BC is nothing but the D that we have found to be H. So instead of BC you can put H there. Now taking this H to that side, we will have root 3H equal to 1.6 plus H. Root 3H minus H equal to 1.6. Pulling out that H commonly outside, you will have root 3 minus 1 inside the bracket equal to 1.6. Now H is going to be 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. You should not leave an irrational number in the denominator. So when you multiply and divide by the conjugate is going to be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So the answer will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that is going to be a squared, root 3 squared is 3, minus b squared, that is 1 squared, so it is 1. So finally we will have 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. When you cancel, you will get 0.8. 0.8 into 2 is 1.6. So the height of the h is nothing but the height of the pedestal. That is what we have to find out. We have h is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the pedestal.